Hello and welcome. Imagine a machine capable of finding solutions to complex problems, such as human evolution, but at an unbelievable speed. Or a system that understands our language and can respond like a friend. These are just glimpses of the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. And today we will explore two powerful tools from this realm: genetic algorithms and natural language processing (NLP). We're not here to overwhelm you with complicated mathematical terms, nor will we skim over these topics superficially. Here, you'll learn why these algorithms are not only significant in science, but also crucial in our everyday lives. Genetic algorithm. Let's start with the genetic algorithm. This algorithm is inspired by Darwin's theory of evolution. Just as nature preserves the best genes through natural selection for survival, the genetic algorithm uses natural processes like selection, crossover, and mutation to find optimal solutions. Imagine you need to solve a complex problem, such as designing an airplane wing or finding the best route for a driver. Instead of examining all possible options, which would be very time-consuming, the genetic algorithm simulates evolution to generate new solutions. The best of these solutions are combined to create a new generation, which improves with each iteration. In this way, the system intelligently finds the most optimized answer. Why is this approach revolutionary? Because it's not only used for engineering problems, but also for everyday challenges, such as project scheduling or even predicting financial markets. If you're interested in learning more about this algorithm and exploring how it can help you navigate new opportunities in the future, you can start with resources like the book Introduction to Genetic Algorithms by Melanie Mitchell, NLP Natural Language Processing. Now let's talk about NLP, a tool that has completely transformed our lives. Natural language processing helps systems understand, interpret, and respond to human language. This technology powers services like machine translation, chatbots, sentiment analysis in text, and search engines. For example, when you ask your phone's voice assistant a question, NLP handles the task. 1. It converts your text or voice into machine-readable data. 2. Extracts the meaning of the sentence and generates a response. 3. Provides the response back to you in human-like text or speech. How does this happen? NLP combines statistical models, machine learning, and sometimes deep learning to understand human language structures. For instance, if you say something like, "How's the weather today?" the system grasps the concept of asking about the weather and accesses weather data. Step 1. The system breaks down the sentence into smaller parts for easier processing. Step 2. It removes irrelevant words, stop words that do not add significant meaning. This step simplifies the input for better analysis. Step 3. It identifies the meanings of words step by step and processes the sentence incrementally. Some words might have similar meanings like fruits, while others pose challenges due to having multiple meanings, a common issue across languages. Step 4. The system then analyzes the grammatical structure and identifies the components of the sentence. After analyzing it, the system generates a response and sends it back to the user. If you're interested in learning more about this algorithm, you can explore the book Speech and Language Processing by Daniel Jurafsky and James Martin. Genetic algorithms and NLP are two of the most powerful tools in artificial intelligence. One draws inspiration from nature to provide creative solutions, while the other enables machines to understand human language. Now, imagine the immense potential for progress if these two technologies were combined, advancing fields like medicine, commerce, or even everyday human interactions.